Hello family, you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you are so welcome, and if you're returning, you are so welcome. It's my weigh-in and I'm going to be showing you guys what I weigh on the scale. But before I do that, I'm going to give a little motivation and let you guys know what you can do to start losing weight at home. And it is what helped me and what I did to kickstart my journey. And so I'm going to share that with you before we move into the scale. So I'm going to give you guys 5 tips to help you lose weight at home. Number 1 is make up your mind. You need to make up your mind to lose weight. Because enough of the procrastination, enough of the inconsistency. You need to just be right to this journey, to what you want. You need to find your turning point. My own turning point was when someone thought I was pregnant, when I actually wasn't. But he referred to me as a pregnant woman, and I said, no, this is it. I won't allow this to keep happening. I won't allow people to believe what is false in me, and so I really have to lose weight. So you can find your own turning points. Your own turning points could be anything. You could lose weight for several reasons. It doesn't matter. What matters is what you want for yourself. Some people lose weight because of health factors, some lose weight because they want to look good. Whatever it is, you need to make up your mind to start. So you can make up your mind. You can do this and you can actually start losing weight. Number 2, clean up your diet. There's this popular saying that you cannot outrun a bad diet. You really cannot outrun a bad diet. No matter how much you run, no matter how much you exercise, if you eat unhealthy foods, you're just wasting your time. So you can't really outrun a bad diet. So you need to start your journey from your food. You need to clean up your diet. Stop eating the things that will make you grow big. That's just it. You need to take away some foods from your diet. Your sugary drinks, if you've been taking a lot of it, you need to start gradually by, say, reducing the quantity you drink. If you usually drink like 3 bottles a day, just reduce it to 2. Start from there and gradually move up until you get rid of it completely, because these are the things that stall our weight loss progress. You also need to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. What helped me as well was I completely changed a meal to a vegetable or a fruit, and it has really helped me a whole lot. Actually, it's either I make a smoothie or I just take a fruit for breakfast. I'm going to be posting my video on how I make a green juice next week. So just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Hit the ring the bell beside it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, so that you see how I make my green juice in the morning. And it has really changed my life. It has helped me. So you could start from there. Just having more fruits and vegetables into your diet, it can go a long way to clean up your diet. Number 3, you need to drink water. Water is so important for our body. It hydrates the body. It's important in every aspect. It helps digestion, it helps eliminate waste materials, and of course our own blood contains water. So what is water not for? Water is also helpful, very helpful for weight loss. So you just cannot do without water when you're trying to lose weight. So start incorporating more water into your diet, and I'm telling you, you're going to see the changes. You can start with taking water along whenever you go anywhere. Just have a bottle by your side, keep sipping and sip all day. You can also take flavored drinks, like putting lemon in your water and taking it. I also made a video on my detox water, on which I put some fruits and vegetables in the water and I drink it. All this hydrates the body and it really makes you lose weight fast. Number 4, buy a jump rope. Yes, this is actually my secret. This is how I started. I actually bought a jump rope at home and I just started jumping at home. It's that easy. Even if you don't know how, I wasn't so good in it when I started, but gradually I became better and I'm still getting better by the day. So just buy a jump rope and keep jumping at home and you'll be amazed at the results you'll get. All these are little tips that can help you start your journey even in your house. You don't need to wait until you get to the gym or keep procrastinating. No, you can start right now. Tip number 5, start walking. It's really that easy to start walking. You can just get up and walk right now, but hold on until the video is over, then you can start that. Walking is so simple. Walking is that easy. As a beginner, you could start by walking 30 minutes or 20 or even 10 in the morning before you leave the house. You come back later in the evening. You could also do the same thing. On Saturdays, you could go out and walk. Don't be intimidated by those who jog and run. At some point, they were like you. Just walk. But you need to make out time for your exercises. You need to make out time to walk. Walking burns a lot of calories, and you should be walking today. So these are the tips I have for you. These 5 super tips that will help kickstart your journey, and I hope somebody starts today. It is really important we stay consistent and focused in this journey. So right now we are going to weigh in. I'm actually nervous, although I'm excited, but I don't know what the scale is going to tell me. But I pray it says something palatable so that we can be happy together, and you guys can also be happy for me. So let's go to the scale now. So the scale says 78.4. Woo! That's lovely. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm super excited, guys. I lost 0.7 kg. Even if it's small, I'm so happy that I did that for this week. And I'm gonna be posting my weigh-ins every Fridays, yeah. And I just hope every week comes out something new. And you know, I told you earlier that I started this journey like a month and 2 weeks back now, and so far I was 86 kg then, and right now I am 78.4 kg. It's really amazing, and I'm so happy about it. So thank you guys for supporting me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and ring the bell beside it so that you would always get notified whenever I post a new video. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.